Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now, bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my own product, Empire, and I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description as well. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description.
Welcome to the demo video of Watercolor Factory. This is a powerful tool that transforms your ideas into beautiful watercolor paintings in just seconds. Let me walk you through how it works. First, enter your idea in the Your Idea box. You can enter the ideas that you want. For example, I'll type, a 40-year-old girl laughing. Next, choose a color style in the Color Style section. You'll find plenty of options like Vintage Wash, Soft Pastel, Bold Color Splash, and many more. Here, I'm going with Vintage Wash, a soft, classic look. Moving on to the Mood section, you can select the overall feeling of the artwork. Peaceful, romantic, joyful, depending on the mood you want to convey. I'll choose Uplifting. The image ratio defines the size of your artwork. Options include 1:1, 3:4, 4:3, 16:9, and 9:16. I'll go with 1010, a perfect square frame. Now on to background style. You can choose between soft paper texture, solid light color, or gradient wash. I'll choose soft paper texture for a realistic canvas-like feel. Under additional effects, you can enhance the depth of your painting with options like rough paper texture, hand-drawn lines, or high saturation. I'll select rough paper texture for this one. The quick style presets let you apply pre-designed looks such as delicate florals, vintage animal sketch, dreamy landscape, or boho abstract. For this example, I'll leave it blank. If you want to sharpen images, you can tick the Enhance Quality option. I'll leave it as is for now. In the Number of Images section, you can generate up to 4 variations at once. I'll choose 4, so we get a wider variety. The negative prompt helps you avoid unwanted elements like blurry, distorted, or extra limbs. This helps the AI match your vision more precisely. If you don't want to wait, simply tick Send me an email, and your images will be delivered to your inbox once they're ready. Then just click Generate Image and let the AI create your watercolor masterpieces. And here they are the 4 images generated based on your idea. You'll see a 1:1 label on each, indicating the image ratio. Click any image to view it in full size. Like what you see, click Favorite to save it to your personal favorites so you can come back anytime. Want to edit on Canva? Just click Canva and a pop-up will appear. The image will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Then hit Open Canva, start a new design, and press Ctrl+V to paste. Click Copy Prompt to reuse the same idea on other platforms like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and more. Click Edit to add text or insert additional graphics. Let's try adding a text block. Click Add Text, and now you can bold or italicize. Change the size. Pick a color, add stroke or background. Move the text anywhere you like. Duplicate it or delete it if needed. You can also upload your own images, for example, your logo. Just click Upload Image, choose a file, hit Open, and it's inserted directly into the canvas. When you're ready, click Download to save the final image to your device. If you want better quality, try Upscale. Your image will be enhanced and labeled as upscaled. At Watercolor Factory, you can manage all your saved favorites under the Favorite tab. Everything you favorited will appear here, and you can still use Canva, copy prompt, edit, upscale, download. If you no longer need an image, just click Remove to delete it from your list. That's it. With just a few steps, you can create personalized watercolor art with ease. Give it a try today at Watercolor Factory. See you inside.